Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding independent thinking. Learn to sit back and observe. Not everything needs a reaction. Anything you hear that begins with, I heard on the news, I saw on social media, or so and so told me, should be politely taken with a grain of salt, as an independent thinker would never use a headline or a soundbite to draw a conclusion. Learn to pause and practice your own independent, unbiased fact checking before commenting on a topic. And if you want to sidestep the emotional booby traps, avoid emotionally charged opinions that are repeated over and over, especially if they are mean spirited, as the purpose of propaganda is to make one set of people believe another set of people aren't as valuable or important. Don't fall for it, as there is a lot of misinformation out there intended to do just that. Get the facts from an unbiased source. Stand for what you believe in. But most important, be respectful to each other. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. Enjoy the day.